I found the leadership development workshop very interesting because it reminds me of really what is a leader. And I hope that the staff that attended the workshop who have not spent a lot of time thinking about it can start thinking about what is a leader. That's the first point. My second takeaway from the workshop is I hope that all the staff attending will really start thinking about why companies will want so many leaders working in the company. So that really, I think, made us all think about why leadership is such a highly valued skill. The third point, I do think, is a part of everybody's self-discovery journey, because learning about yourself, they are the particular type we were talking about. There are 4 types of leaders. So that means it's not just the type that are very dominant, very brave or whatever. Usually people think, oh, that is a type of leaders. It's very obvious leaders. But there are other types. So there's other types of influential people, influence others. And they are the ones that are, it's a DIC, C is conscientiousness, and the other one is steadiness. And all these qualities actually still can make you a certain type of leader. So I think that's actually should be quite inspirational for the people who attend the workshop. So my final point really is about, in life, if we want to have a successful career, and we want to have a really corporate life, that means we have to have the ability to work with different type of leaders. So once you understand there are different type of leaders and how to get the best out of these leaders, I thought that was very interesting as well.